Welcome to Testpassport.com, new NSE4_FGT 6.0 exam for NSE4 certification. Share the latest Fortinet NSE4_FGT 6.0 real questions and answers in this video. 1. An administrator is attempting to allow access to https://fortinet.com through a firewall policy that is configured with a web filter and an SSL inspection profile configured for deep inspection. Which of the following are possible actions to eliminate the certificate error generated by deep inspection? Choose 2. A. Implement firewall authentication for all users that need access to Fortinet.com. B. Manually install the FortiGate Deep Inspection Certificate as a trusted CA. C. Configure Fortinet.com access to bypass the IPS engine. D. Configure an SSL inspection exemption for Fortinet.com. Answer, A, B. 2. How does FortiGate verify the login credentials of a remote LDAP user? A. FortiGate regenerates the algorithm based on the login credentials and compares it to the algorithm stored on the LDAP server. B. FortiGate sends the user-entered credentials to the LDAP server for authentication. C. FortiGate queries the LDAP server for credentials. D. FortiGate queries its own database for credentials. Answer, B. 3. Which action can be applied to each filter in the application control profile? A. Block, monitor, warning, and quarantine. B. Allow, monitor, block and learn. C. Allow, block, authenticate, and warning. D. Allow, monitor, block, and quarantine. Answer, D. 4. HTTP public key pinning (HPKP) can be an obstacle to implementing full SSL inspection. What solutions could resolve this problem? Choose 2. A. Enable allow invalid SSL certificates for the relevant security profile. B. Change web browsers to one that does not support HPKP. C. Exempt those websites that use HPKP from full SSL inspection. D. Install the CA certificate that is required to verify the web server certificate stores of users' computers. Answer, B, D. 5. Which of the following statements are true when using WPAD with the DHCP discovery method? Choose 2. A. If the DHCP method fails, browsers will try the DNS method. B. The browser needs to be preconfigured with the DHCP server's IP address. C. The browser sends a DHCP/ONFORM request to the DHCP server. D. The DHCP server provides the PAC file for download. Answer, A, C. 6. If traffic matches a DLP filter with the action set to quarantine IP address, what action does FortiGate take? A. It notifies the administrator by sending an email. B. It provides a DLP block replacement page with a link to download the file. C. It blocks all future traffic for that IP address for a configured interval. D. It archives the data for that IP address. Answer, C. 7. Which of the following statements about the FSSO collector agent timers is true? A. The workstation verify interval is used to periodically check if a workstation is still a domain mem BER. B. The IP address change verify interval monitors the server IP address where the collector agent is installed, and the updates the collector agent configuration if it changes. C. The user group cache expiry is used to age out the monitored groups. D. The dead entry timeout interval is used to age out entries with an unverified status. Answer, D. 8. A FortiGate device has multiple VDOMs. Which statement about an administrator account configured with the default professor_admin profile is true? A. It can create administrator accounts with access to the same VDOM. B. It cannot have access to more than one VDOM. C. It can reset the password for the admin account. D. It can upgrade the firmware on the FortiGate device. Answer, C. 9. Which of the following features is supported by Web Filter in flow-based inspection mode with NGFW mode set to profile-based? A. FortiGuard quotas. B. Static URL. C. Search engines. D. Rating option. Answer, D. 10. By default, when logging to disk, when does FortiGate delete logs? A. 30 days. B. 1 year. C. Never. D. 7 days. Answer, D.